This video will cover how slip and fall insurance claims work in Texas. Brought to you by the Herrman Herrman Injury Attorneys of Corpus Christi, Texas. With the right circumstances, slip and fall injuries that happen at a commercial establishment or someone else's home can become legal claims in Texas. Property owners are bound by a legal concept called premises liability, which mandates that they provide a reasonably safe environment for guests. Slip and fall victims can file a premises liability insurance claim against the property owner if the owner neglects his duty. There are several steps to determine whether the victim will be awarded a claim settlement. The first step is to determine whether there was a breach in the premises liability rules and whether the premises were unsafe. However, even if the property was unsafe and you were injured, but the owner could not reasonably do anything to improve the situation, the law will usually favor the owner. On the other hand, if the owner knew or should have known about the unsafe condition, then the law usually favors the victim. The next step is to classify the victim according to guest type. There are three categories: invitees, licensees, and trespassers. An invitee is someone who was on the property with the owner's permission and therefore the mutual benefit of both parties. A person shopping at a store is an example of an invitee. A licensee is someone who was on the property with the owner's permission but for the guest's sole benefit. A concert goer is an example of a licensee. A trespasser is someone who was on the property without the knowledge and permission of the owner. Invitees and licensees have rights to make claims, but trespassers don't. The third step is to determine the severity of the injuries. Severe injuries resulting in hospitalization and psychological pain are more likely to be handled seriously. If you believe that you qualify to win a slip and fall claim, it is critically important to contact an experienced injury attorney for help. Insurance companies are very skilled at avoiding payouts to slip and fall victims, especially when an attorney is not involved. If you've been injured in a slip and fall accident, call the Herrman Herrman Injury Attorneys as soon as possible.